is News Channel 4.
In News for Your Health, silicone breast implants.
And Max is here with some breaking news on this.
That's right, Sue and Felicia. Just minutes ago, federal health officials recommended lifting a 13-year near ban on silicone breast implants in a surprising turnaround. Even though yesterday an FDA advisory panel narrowly recommended against approval for the Inamed company's silicone breast implant, saying their patient follow-up was not long enough to predict how likely their implants were to break apart and require surgery to remove or replace. More than 250,000 women got breast implants last year, including Laura Sammartino. Laura could have gotten saline-filled implants, but instead chose to be part of a clinical trial to receive a new kind of silicone implant.
The look and the feel, it's very natural, it's contoured.
Today, the maker of Laura's implant, Mentor, will try to convince the FDA that the benefits of their product outweigh its risks. Yesterday, an FDA advisory panel narrowly rejected Inamed's application to market their implants.
I move that the device be voted non-approvable at this time.
5-4, non-approvable.
A day earlier, a lineup of women and doctors told stories of problems with silicone breast implants that ruptured and leaked.
Please do not inflict this on another generation.
But the new silicone implants are different than those previous versions. They contain what's called cohesive silicone gel, the advantage of which is said to be that even if the implant breaks, the gel stays within the shell and doesn't leak out. Women who were part of Mentor's study were told of possible risks. Their satisfaction with results seems very high.
I can tell you that the women that I've performed silicone breast implants on, both cosmetic and reconstructive, are all extremely happy.
And the feel is very, very natural.
The cohesive gel implants have been in use in Europe for about 10 years, and study after study has failed to find any link to systemic diseases like lupus, arthritis, or cancer. In the U.S., silicone implants are available through clinical trials only for breast cancer survivors and others needing reconstruction, which led some women to question the panel's judgment.
The fact that breast cancer patients may obtain them and cosmetic patients cannot exposes the true reason for the ban. What is at stake is a moral judgment rather than a medical one.
Now, the FDA panel, or rather the FDA itself, had said there was not enough long-term follow-up to judge durability. But apparently the panel felt that Inamed, or rather that Mentor, had tracked its implant recipients for long enough to actually judge durability. Now, the advisory panel actually just advises the FDA. The FDA does not have to follow the recommendations. They usually do, but they don't have to follow the recommendations. We should have a decision from the FDA 30 to 60 days.
All right.
We'll see.
Thank you.
You bet.